Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for always coming back to check out our channel. We love you. And if you're a first timer, thank you for opening our channel to actually check out what we're doing. We also love you. So today I'll be showing us how to make this delicious sandwich with boiled egg. But before that, let me make a shout out to this set of people. So I want to make a shout out to Zishat watching from KD. I want to make a shout out to Paige watching from Kaduna. I want to make a shout out to Animation Cartoons watching from Unsuka, and I want to make a shout out to Foodieplex watching from Ireland. So thank you, we love you. Let us also know your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. Let us know your name and where you're watching from in the comment section. Thank you. So to make this delicious sandwich with boiled egg, all you need to do is remove the yolk from the white part of the egg. Then you dice the white part of the egg. After that, you're going to mash the yolk, you're going to pieces it. Then you would add your bama to it, and then you can also add what's it called, salt to taste if you want. If not, you can just do it like that. So for this for this video, all you need is your bread, your boiled egg, and bama. That's all. Then you can add salt to if you want. So that's all. So now after mashing the yolk and adding the bama to it, you now add the white diced part of the egg into the mixed yolk with bama. Then after that, you're going to spread it on your bread. After doing that, the other part of the bread, you're going to spread bama on it, and then you would cover, and that's all. You can have your delicious bread sandwich with boiled egg. Try it and come back to thank me later. Make sandwich a different way today. Don't make it the normal way you always make it. Try a different way today and come back to thank me later. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and please don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, especially telling us your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. Thank you.